Welcome to Layer 5 website local environment setup tutorial. Before we begin, make sure you have Node and Gatsby installed on your operating system. Now follow the steps to install Node. Visit to the following URL to download Node and follow steps as shown. To verify the installation of Node and npm run commands as shown. Now let's install Gatsby. Run command is shown on screen to install Gatsby. And run Gatsby version to verify. Congratulations! You are now done with dependencies. Now let's set it up in local environment. Step 1. Fork Layer 5 website repository. Go to Layer 5 website's GitHub repository. Click on Fork button. Next, click on the Create Fork button. Step 2. Let's have it on your computer. Copy URL of forked repository. Now, open terminal in the directory you want to have the website in. Run command is shown on screen to clone repository. Now, run command, ls to verify if the repository is cloned. Run command, cd layer 5 to change the directory to layer 5. Step 3. Adding reference to the original repository. Use git remote-v to check remotes. Run the command is shown on screen to add reference to the original repository. Run git remote-v again to verify. Now, run git branch to see all branches. Run the command is shown on screen to create new branch. Now let's run the website. We will be needing make to run the site. First we will install Chocolatey by following URL. Copy-paste and run this code into PowerShell with admin access. Now we will close it and open it again and run the command as shown. Great, now make is installed. Now open the terminal in Layer 5 directory and run command make setup. Initially it may take some time. Run command make site to run the site. It may also take some time initially. And now visit to this URL to access website.